Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Honda Fit versus the Toyota Ractis. We'll dive into what makes each vehicle a strong contender in the subcompact segment. You'll learn about their engine options, driving dynamics, and how they stack up in terms of practicality. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which car might be the better fit for your needs and lifestyle. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, both the Honda Fit and Toyota Ractis offer efficient engines suitable for city driving and highway cruising. The Fit's 1.5-liter engine provides a good balance of power and economy, while the Ractis offers a choice between a 1.3-liter or 1.5-liter unit. Both are designed for reliability and low running costs, making them economical choices for daily commutes and longer journeys. Interior space and versatility are key strengths for both the Fit and the Ractis. The Honda Fit's Magic Seats allow for numerous cargo and passenger configurations, making it incredibly adaptable. The Toyota Ractis also boasts a surprisingly roomy interior, ensuring comfort for passengers and ample space for luggage. Both vehicles maximize their compact footprints to offer practical and comfortable cabins. In terms of reliability and long-term value, both the Honda Fit and Toyota Ractis consistently receive high marks. Owners frequently praise their durability and low maintenance requirements, contributing to excellent resale values. Choosing either vehicle means investing in a dependable car that holds its worth well over time. For more insights on smart financial decisions, make sure to check the description for a link to a great book and other valuable deals we've curated just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.